Welcome back to Web API Tutorials. I'm Venkat. In the last video, we have seen what is JWT and how we can generate the JWT token. So in this video, let us see what are all the algorithms we can use while generating the JWT token signature. These are all the algorithms we can use while generating the signature of JWT token. The first one is HS256 algorithm. According to JWA specifications, so this is JWA specification and this is the algorithm name. Okay, JWA is nothing but JavaScript Web Algorithm Specification. Okay, so according to JWA, this is the name HS256. Okay, HS256 is nothing but HMAC using SSA256. HMAC is a algorithm works based on the private key. And the next one is a RS256. So RS256 is the JWA specification name and the algorithm name is RSA SSA PKCS1 version 1.5 using SHA256. Okay. The next one here is the elliptic algorithm ES256. So that's the JWA name and algorithm name here is ECDSA using P256 and SHA256. And the last one is PS256 and the algorithm name is RSSSA minus PSS plus MGF1 with SHA256. These are the four algorithms we can use while generating the JWT token signature. Okay, so we can use these algorithms in three different formats: 256 and 384 and 512. Okay, here you can see this is the bits format 256. In this place we can use 256 and 384 and 512 bit. So we can use all these four algorithms in three different formats. Okay, that is these 3 bits formats. And let us see the full forms for these algorithm names. When it comes to the HMAC, first one, hash message authentication code. This HMAC will work based on the private key. Okay, private key or secret key. So that's why it is a keyed hash message authentication code. The next one is RSA. RSA indicates 3 people names who invented this RSA algorithm. And the ECDSA is nothing but elliptic curve digital signature algorithm. SHA, you know it very well, secure hash algorithm. RSA we have already seen. RSA SSA is nothing but RSA signature scheme with appendix. PKCS you all know very well, public key cryptography standards. These are all the full forms for the algorithms we use in generating the JWT tokens. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.